Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Gio and I'm an English learner. I'm so excited to bring this video to you guys, uh, because I know how frustrating it can be. I know how overwhelming that can be when you spend a lot of time on something, especially a new language. Maybe you find a native speaker and this person start talking to you in English and you can't answer anything. You can't answer. You literally just stuck. Every single word that you learn, every single word that you memorized, they can't come out of your mouth. Me especially, I know what it looks like. I know how you feel. I know what it looks like to spend a lot of time learning a language but can't speak it. It's very overwhelming. So I bring this video to you guys to help you, and I'm gonna show you what to do about it to solve the problem. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're new, give me a thumbs up and share this video with other English learners that you know. So stay with me on this video. Maybe you've been learning, you've been memorizing a lot of vocabulary for a long time ago. But when it comes to speaking English, to express yourself, you can't find the word that you think you have to use in the conversation. So this video is for you, because here in this video I'm gonna show you everything that you have to do and what is the problem, why you think like this, why you can't speak English. Maybe you understand everything that I'm saying right now, or maybe you're watching video on YouTube all the time, you understand everything, but you can't speak. So this video is for you guys. Stay with me. So guys, I remember when I started learning English, when I find some people who speak English and they started talking to me in English because they knew I was learning English, and I was like, hesitating and fear to speak, to express myself. Maybe you're experiencing the same thing right now. So let me tell you that it's not always the case, because I was thinking that wow, those people were here just sitting and waiting for me to speak, to see if I can speak better or if I speak real English. It was so frustrating for me, as an English learner, seeing people around me, expecting for me to speak, because I thought that they were here to judge me. But it was not the case. So this is the mindset that kept me from the ability to speak, from the ability to express myself freely and correctly. So guys, what did I do about it to solve the problem? Because I know it was a problem. I know that I could fix it. I started to take note when I watch movies, TV shows on YouTube video. The word that I didn't know, I just write them down in my notebook and I look up for the meaning. And that helped me learn a lot of more vocabulary every day. So you can do it also. Okay, guys, another problem that we have as English learner, maybe you see another student that achieved the goal They speak fluently, speaking with another with native speaker. I don't know. And when you see that, you feel overwhelmed. You feel bad about yourself. You feel sad because maybe you started first and this student came after and they reached fluency first. And you just think, oh no, English is so difficult. Or you say things like, I'm not enough, I'm not intelligent enough to reach the fluency that I need. Maybe you said that before. So let me tell you that it's not good for you as an English learner. You know why other students achieve their goal before you? It is just for this mindset that you have, because you think that you're not enough, you're not intelligent enough to achieve your goal. So please, I want you to take away this mindset. What you have to do about it, you have to make a plan. You have to start with the end in mind, because if you go somewhere, you gotta have a map. You already know where you're going, so you have to make a plan. Okay, maybe right now I can't speak English, but tomorrow in the future, after 3 months, after 6 months, this is the way I was going to be. This is the way I'm going to be able to speak English. That is the mindset you gotta have to achieve your goals. I experienced what you're experiencing right now. Sometime I was about to quit my English learning. I was about to say, okay, I'm not enough. This is not for me. I have to quit. But I didn't, because I know that I could do it. This is what I did. So guys, please, as I taught you, you have to take away this mindset that is holding you back from the ability to speak English. The third thing that is holding you back is because your fear to speak, your fear to express yourself. I have to tell you that I was feared also to speak English, because as I told you before, I was thinking that people will make fun of me when I speak English, about how I sound, about how I put the words together. This was my thinking. People are gonna judge me for the way I speak, because let me tell you something. You don't have to speak like a native speaker. You don't have to sound like an American. The native speaker is not focused on how you sound, on how you speak, because they are so focused on to trying to understand what you're saying to them. So they don't have time to be here, writing down every little mistakes that you're doing. They're not like this. It's not like that. So stop procrastinating. Stop complaining about how you sound, how you put the words together. Okay, guys? This is not good for you as an English learner. Okay, guys, so another things that you can do to fix it is to use the shadowing technique. This is so powerful. This is so useful for you as an English learner to use the shadowing technique. You can choose another video, about 5 minutes long, 10-minute long, to use the shadowing technique. Guys, I swear, if you do this, if you put it into work, if you give it all you can, you're going to see results in a very, very short period of time, because hard work always pays off. This is all for today. I have a couple videos on this channel that you can enjoy watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, share this video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.